What's up, my fellow yarn bombers? My name is Michael and I'm the Crafty Crocheter. So if you are watching my videos for the first time or tuning in for the first time, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoy my content. And for those of you who are returning viewers and or loyal subscribers, welcome back, as I appreciate your patronage. So today I thought I would just recap y'all what happened yesterday with my birthday and a couple other topics. So first off, I'm going to go with the birthday recap. So, as you know, yesterday was my birthday. I turned the big 4-9, and as for the dinner, my husband took me out to a sushi place. And for those of you in the Belden Village, Canton, Ohio area, you may be familiar with this location. It's Sakura. We've been there many times. They have really good sushi, good hibachi. So I ordered the chicken and lobster hibachi combo, and I ordered I think it's the fire dragon roll, but it had no rice in it, and it was really good. And then I had a little thing of sake, like a tiny little bottle of sake, tiny little bottle in a single serve cup. So anyway, that was a pretty good experience. I never had a bad experience with Sakura. So if you're new to the Canton area, to the Belden Village area, you want a good sushi place to eat, go to Sakura. Yeah, I'm not a sponsor for Sakura, but I'm a foodie, and so I highly recommend going to Sakura. So then, second of all, as you may know, today is Groundhog's Day. And I know, now I'm going to give you a warning right now. If you don't want to hear what I'm about to tell you, you can turn away now, but I'm going to go ahead and give you the bad news. I learned today that Punxsutawney Phil saw his shadow, which means 6 more weeks of winter. I know it's not what you want to hear. It's not what I want to hear, but it is what it is. But I wouldn't put all of my nuts in one basket with Punxsutawney Phil, because according to some of the articles and reports I've read online and heard on the news this morning, that he only has like about a 35% accuracy rate. So I not really putting my faith into a weather predicting rodent. So, but you can just see the forecast is going to be cold any damn way. So winter, I mean, chronologically, it's always 6 weeks more of winter anyway. So whether it sees its shadow or doesn't see its shadow, it's just more of a hype and festival type of thing in Punxsutawney, Pennsylvania. So, but I'm not saying anything negative about it. That's just my opinion. But I'm just gonna brave the cold, the snow, the ice, and take precaution as I normally would. So I am still working on my current whips. I am about maybe about 2/3 of the way done, and then I worked a little bit on my knitted shawl last night, and it's coming along nicely. I mean, it's starting to look like in the pictures, so I may do a couple more rows and then provide a progress report for that project as well. So, and I also want to thank y'all who took the time to vote for my latest poll, where I announced that I'm thinking about doing like a giveaway, because my Shopify store is not doing so well, and I'm thinking about just getting rid of it, and because I'm paying $5 a month for something that's not giving me anything back, and I've had the store open since last October, so it's not really worth putting effort and time into something that I'm not going to get any return on investment. So, but I am thinking about doing a giveaway for one of my crochet projects that I've shown on the channel and I've had on the store site. So I may just leave it up to y'all which project you want me to potentially give away as part of the giveaway extravaganza. And then I'm also going to try to figure out how I can pick the recipient of the project. Now, I've seen a couple channels do it. Oh, got that one ear hair there, so don't mind me. How they do it, I can do like the wheel of names type of thing, or I can do like where it picks out the random comments like Creative Grandma does, or I'm just trying to figure out how to go about it, because this is my first one, and I'm trying to be careful. I'm trying to be studious about how I want to go about it. So if y'all have any suggestions or ideas, let me know in the comments. Anything, any input would be great. So, and again, I know I said this yesterday, but I can't thank y'all enough for the love and support y'all have given me almost this past year. And as you know, February 13th is going to be the 1-year anniversary of myself being on YouTube. So yeah, so today sun's coming out, it's getting a little warmer, so I'll probably venture out, go to the gym, get a workout in, because I haven't worked out in over a week or so, and I don't want to lose all the gains I've gotten, so, or the strength either, and I want to increase my health. So I'm thinking about, and then I also mentioned about, I think it was one of my subscribers or someone commented about the dry January thing, said, oh, don't go too crazy. I said, don't worry, I won't go too crazy, but I'm thinking about doing like another extended, like a dry February, March, see how long I can last without having a drink of alcohol. So like I said, I had my drinks last night, so I'm not going to have any this coming week because I had my drink yesterday. So but I'm going to see if I can extend it into March and see how that comes along. So, all right. So that's all I got for the day, guys. So, don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles, grab some yarn, create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Love each other, help each other out, be there for one another, be kind to one another, pay it forward, and love yourself, be true to yourself, and don't let anyone deter you from your true path. And stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very, very important any time of the year. So if you're looking for some sort of outlet to increase your overall good mental health, I would suggest crafting, like crochet, knitting, painting, drawing, whatever creative outlet that you are proficient at, and just go with that. Or if you're into cooking, or if you're into writing, that would be great too. Or if you journal, that's another good outlet as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna end this video for now, and I got some more videos coming down the pike, so be on the lookout for that. So I'm still working on the tutorial for the cotton candy blanket, so that should be coming out here soon. So look out for that as well. And again, I'm grateful for all of you who have subscribed to the channel, and I hope to get a hell of a lot more subscribers, which would be fantastic, and reach my 1,000 goal by the end of the year, hopefully sooner, fingers crossed. And on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.